what's up, everybody? It is 60-second game picks for Week 17. Let's put 60 on the clock. Let's go. That's right, 60 seconds. If this is it for Steve Smith, man, what a career. Tom Savage and the Texans keep momentum going. Bucs need about 754 things to happen to get in the playoffs, maybe 755. One of them is a win on Sunday. They get it. Steelers get some much-needed rest after the epic division clincher last week. Will we see Romo against the Eagles? I'll say no, and Dallas finishes 13-3. Sanchez time. Audition time for Anthony Lynn. Bills over the Jets. Vikes squeezed by the Bears, but Jordan Howard, what a rookie year, dude. Colts by a field goal over the Jags. Vinatieri still has it. Pats have lost 3 straight in Miami, but they find a way to lock up home field. Chargers give KC all they can handle what might be their last game at San Diego. Please say no on that deal. Please say no on this being the last game for Fitz. No way. Cardinals win. Raiders want that bye. They won't get it. McGloin struggles. Skins are desperate. They crush the G-Men at home. Seattle snags a win over Cap for old time's sake. Points, and more points in Atlanta. Give me the Falcons. And last but certainly not least, the Packers win the North in a Motown thriller. For all my game picks, check out NFL.com/game picks.